In today's video, we're checking out a provider that goes by the name of Vertex, and we're going to be using their Fortnite cheat to get us an insane advantage inside the game. It's packed with some insane features that you guys are definitely not going to want to miss out, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Once you get to their website, scroll down and you're going to see the Fortnite product. Go ahead and select on it and click on the Fortnite full, and then you're going to see all of the plans you get to choose from. As you can see, we have the 1 day all the way to lifetime, as well as all the features this includes, as well as the satisfaction rate for this cheat. So let's go ahead and select which plan we want, then we can add it to our cart and hop right into a game. Dead. One tap. Dead. Okay, the bomb. Dead. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dead. 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 That is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys do want to check out Vertex, all of their links are down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.